And today we're taking a look at how to smoke a whole turkey using charcoal, easy and simple, that anyone could do. And the first thing that you want to do if your turkey comes frozen is to thaw it either 1 or 2 days on the refrigerator or a couple of hours on the sink. You want to make sure that you remove the neck, any plastic bags or plastic on the bird. We're also removing the doneness gauge because we're using a thermometer. Remember, anything used on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. The first thing that we want to do is lay some plastic or paper on our working surface to make cleanup a lot easier later on. Once we have our turkey ready, the first thing that we're going to do is splash some mustard all around the turkey. And we do this to keep the meat moist and to hold on to the rub. Once we've done that, now we're ready for the rub. And you can use any rub, but if you want to use our rub, if you're interested on that video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And it's an easy and simple rub anyone could do. Once we get the front, now we could do the back. And if you miss any spots, don't worry, we're going to come back to it a second time. It's just like the movies. We're not going to make that mistake the good guy does, leaving the bad guy alive. We're coming back around a second time and making sure that bird ain't coming back up. And to do that, we're going to use some rub. The most important thing that we want to make sure is, first, that our bird is dead, and second and most importantly is to get the rub under the skin. We want to do that everywhere where we can, and you want to do this a little bit gently because you don't want to rip the skin. And if the skin rips, don't worry, you are the king or queen or both of your castle, and those that don't follow you, just send them to the dungeon. Now the third and most important part after the first and second most important part is to get the inside, and we want to hit that with mustard and rub. Now, this is the part on the movie where you choose who lives or who dies. Or like Rocky, if he dies, he dies. It all depends up to you how many hours you want to leave the bird on the fridge. But it's all up to you. If you want to leave it for 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, or a whole day, it's all up to you. Remember, you're the one with the magical powers. But if you're like us, and leave everything for the last minute, then we're just gonna wrap this one in a bag and put it on the fridge until our grill is ready. And today we're using the 60-40 method, which is 40% charcoal and 60% empty space. And to make that easier for us, we're using the Noel charcoal basket that we created. If you're interested on that video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. And because this is a big bird, we're going to lay some charcoal first and also fill up our chimney starter with charcoal. Now let's go ahead and light that paper up to get our charcoal going. And we're going to wait until we see fire on the charcoal. Now we can go ahead and dump the charcoal on our basket. We're ready now to place our dripping pans and fill them up with water. This is going to keep the turkey from getting dry, and it's also going to make cleaning the grill a lot easier because it's going to catch some dripping. If you use hot water, it's going to make the water catch to the temperature a lot faster. You can also use apple juice, orange juice, or any kind of liquid that you want. Remember, you are the only grill master at your home, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And today we're using hickory wood, but you can use any wood that you prefer. If you're using wood chips, remember to soak them in water, and placing them in an aluminum patch is going to make it last longer. Now we can go ahead and close the grill for 5 minutes to let everything get hot. And our goal is to keep the temperature from 300 degrees to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we do that by adjusting the vent on the charcoal side. The more open the vent, the more air, and is going to create more heat. The closer the vent, the less air, meaning the less heat. If you notice your temperature goes up too high, you can close the vent completely until it cools down, and then adjust it until your desired temperature. So the main idea is that the air is going to come in from the vent where the charcoal is at. It's going to push the hot air and also the smoke from the hickory wood towards the turkey and then leave from the vent on the top. Now that your grill is hot, if you haven't cleaned it, this is the time to do so. If you haven't seasoned the grill, you can also do that now. And you do that by taking a piece of paper and some oil and passing it on the grill grates. If your grill doesn't have a thermometer, you can place your probe thermometer inside the top vent. Now we're ready to place our turkey, and we're going to leave the bird there for 2 hours. We want to check our wood every hour. We want to make sure that it is smoking, and this is very important the first 2-3 hours. Once we hit the 2-hour mark, we want to open our grill and flip the bird. And I don't mean your fingers, I mean the turkey. If you're using a wood chunk, we want to flip that wood chunk as well. If you notice you don't have smoke, you can add another wood chunk. Now we can close the grill one more time and let it cook for an additional 2 hours. On the 3rd hour, you want to verify if you need more charcoal, because remember, you might go 5 to 7 hours. If you do, this is the time where you can go ahead and add. Once we hit the 2-hour mark, we want to open our grill and flip the bird. Now we can close the grill, and now we're going to let it go for 1 hour. So now we arrived at the 5th hour, and this is the time where we want to add our barbecue sauce. And we can add any barbecue sauce that you like. If you want to take a look at our barbecue sauce, if you're interested on that video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And this is the light coating that we're going to put. If you want to skip this step, you can also do that. We're going to make sure that we get on both sides. Before we close the grill, we're going to go ahead and stick our thermometer probe on the bird. And you want to do this on a thick part on the middle. And once you get to your desired temperature, you want to probe in different places just to make sure. In our case, we got to our desired temperature on the 6th hour. And our goal temperature is 174 degrees Fahrenheit. If you like the color of the turkey and you don't want it to darken more, you can go ahead and wrap it on aluminum foil on the 5th hour. This is going to prevent the skin from darkening more. And also, another pro tip, if it's not ready to serve, you can leave it on the grill, and with the remaining charcoal, it's going to keep it warm until that time comes. And you'll do that by controlling the vent to get a low temperature. Overall, this is an easy and simple recipe that you can have done in 5 to 7 hours. And you're going to have a delicious bird and very juicy. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.